up and going again.
I must have a fall, maybe. That's it. Oh, maybe it was just updating. Are they back near Wild Thing or not?
No.
Okay.
Superman's
I hope they had another fall.
Superman's jumped away from Glove.
Oh, okay. Ah, twin rig. Yay.
There it is.
There's that sound. See, look, there's no boats leaving left on the beach now.
There's only about 40 something boats, 50 boats.
Oh, I thought there was 70. But yeah, it's still not many, eh? Did he just get